Namaskar. Welcome back to Sanatan Dharma. In today's episode, I will discuss with you about Brahma Muhurta or the auspicious time. Brahma Muhurta is a word which we have come across in our lives in some way or the other, and some amongst us may have also read or studied about it. But did you know it has a great significance as per Ayurveda and science? Before we go into details about it, let us understand what does the term Brahma Murta mean. Brahma or Brahman means the higher consciousness, the highest wisdom, the true self or the God, and Murta means time period. Thus, Brahma Murta is the time period perfect to realize the higher wisdom. To elaborate it further, it is the most productive time of the day to rise higher. It is a time to practice. Truly, it is a time to know who am I. Actually, this time offers the possibility or potential to Brahman or the creator, the self, so that you can shape yourself into a better individual. Brahma Murta also finds mention in various sacred Hindu texts. I'd like to take a couple of slokas and their meaning before proceeding further on Brahma Murta. Brahma Muhurte Budhete Dharmathu Chanuchintite, which means wake up from bed in the Brahma Murta, well before sunrise, and meditate of Dharmartha or of spiritual wealth, as also the plan the day about Dhanarjana or daily earnings. In another sloka, it says Brahma Murta ya Nidrasa Punya Kasya Karini. It means Punya Karma, pious deeds of one who sleeps during the time of Brahma Murta gets reduced. Therefore, one should make optimum use of this time. As you can see that there is a great significance of Brahma Murta for us, and there is a detailed understanding how it influences human life. And what time is Brahma Murta? In the Hindu philosophy, night time period is from sunset to sunrise, and the last quarter of the night is the Brahma Murta. It is a time anywhere between 3:30 am to 5:30 am. In fact, to be precise, it starts 1 hour and 36 minutes before sunrise. The time of the sunrise varies each day according to the geographical location, so the time of Brahma Murta keeps varying depending on the time of sunrise at that particular place. For example, if the sunrise is at a place at 5:30 am, the Brahma Murta will begin at 3:54 am, 1 hour 36 minutes before sunrise. Human body is attuned to nature's cycle. We become healthy and happy automatically. This is how nature works. It is natural for human body to sleep in the night and get up before sunrise. Syncing to the natural cycle balances the body and the mind. Pains are relieved, mind comes at peace. You can become immune, and that is how the relationship planets with sun and moon, and in such that the certain things which comes around helps you to make changes in the human body. Now we come to Ayurveda and Brahma Murta. Ayurveda states that the whole day is predominant by three doshas, faults. Vata, which is air and wind, Pitta, which is bile, and Kapha, which is mucus or phlegm. And then Brahma Murta falls within the time of Vata. Vata energy helps you in getting up and smoothens the elimination. It is also believed that the urine has certain medicinal qualities at Brahma Murta period. The entire body is in a certain conducive atmosphere, and there is a secretion of hormone by the pineal gland. Now, pineal gland region is the region of the third eye or the Agya Chakra. which is responsible for taking the knowledge in. The hormone secreted by it keeps us in a calm state. We should also make use of this time because at this time the mind is very calm and has got more energy and is more receptive. Coming to ease of happens naturally during this period, and you have a larger tendencies to have focus, and whatever you practice at the time of Brahma Muhurta certainly will benefit you. What are the advantages of getting up at Brahma Muhurta? Astanga Hridayam says that one should get up at Brahma Muhurta to protect Ayu, the life. It's a time to create yourself through the spiritual or religious activity like yoga, meditation, chanting, etc. It has more impact if done at this time rather than any other time of the day. Getting up at Brahma Muhurta gives wisdom, health, beauty, balance, mental and physical, strength and much more. Perfect ambience. Surroundings are conducive at this time. It helps to concentrate more. Whether you are meditating, studying, performing prayers or chanting, it needs focus. Brahma Muhurta provides that ambience to concentrate. Brahma Muhurta is also time for self. Rising from the bed after a sound sleep while the hustle and bustle of daily life is going to begin, this is the time one is away from negative thoughts. And in fact, when you are away from the negative thoughts, the mind is more receptive to positive vibes. This is the time to meet your real self. This is the time to prepare for your daily activities. More time at hand. When you wake up early, you naturally have more time to the daily activities and to achieve your daily goals, as success demands time and energy. Mantra for success and happiness. It is said waking up at Brahma Muhurta brings in success and happiness in our life. Getting up from bed at this time allows the body to have more energy and power. It also boosts our immune system, increases our energy level, and also helps us to maintain the balance of blood. Now, what are the things we can do during Brahma Muhurta? Yoga. Perform yoga, not exercise. Yoga asanas and pranayam is the best at this hour of the day. Asana reduces breath rate and hence it acts as an enzyme to make healthy mind and body, while exercises increases heart and breath rate. Once you gain mastery over asana and the pranayama, you can go deeper with pratyahara, dharana and dhyana. This is Ashtanga Yoga, the eightfold path given by Maharishi Patanjali. Meditation. Meditation starts when you become calm and concentrated. At the time of Brahma Muhurta, mind is calm. Awareness level is at its best, since the surrounding is peaceful. Hence, all this make perfect environment to dive deep in the ocean of meditation. And the key to realize truth is practice. Gain knowledge. It is the most suitable time to realize spiritual knowledge and time to release negativity. Introspect the activities in which you indulge in the day. The negative emotions like jealousy, anger, greed, etc., which one comes across every day. Brahma Muhurta is the best time to let out these emotions and empty oneself. Practicing it daily eventually reduces your tendency to give in to these emotions. As we clean our houses every day and body daily, we also need to clean our mind. Practicing it, one can travel far beyond small talks. Study. Knowledge we gain at this time stays because ability to memorize is at the highest at this time. It is the best time for the students to study is Brahma Muhurta. In less time one grasps more, never forgets, and which is why it is always important that we study at that time. Planning, be it planning the ways of earning, scheduling meetings, making timetables for study, or to do a to-do list for the day. The freshness level this experience bestows upon you and makes the perfect time to plan important things in your life. Receive blessings. Remember the God, parents, elders, master, nature, and be grateful. Grace of them will take you to new heights of success in spiritual and worldly affairs. Remember your parents who made your life possible, your teachers or masters who have given and always been your light. It is also a form of bhakti in Navda Bhakti. With this, we come to the end of episode of Brahma Muhurta. Do leave a comment below and tell us how you felt about this video. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel. So till we meet the next time for the next episode on Sanatan Dharma, Namaskara.